Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the tools you'll need and enabling system permissions. Install widget apps, icon pack creators, and an alternate keyboard. Grant notification and widget access so they display correctly. Once done, create web app shortcuts for any Android-only launcher lookalikes and place widgets on your home screen. Make sure to allow custom icons from the Shortcuts app and position stacked widgets to mimic Android's information density. This first pass establishes the layout and permissions that let deeper changes work. Next, you replace and rewire core behaviors so interactions feel Android-like. Use shortcuts to create one-tap icon replacements and automate actions such as opening apps with custom gestures. This gives you a home launcher effect. Then install alternate browsers and keyboards and set them as default where iOS allows. This changes typing and browsing behavior. Finally, configure Control Center and accessibility shortcuts to surface persistent toggles and quick settings. These adjustments recreate Android's quick access patterns while keeping system stability intact. You finish by tidying visuals and confirming reliability. Resize widgets, align custom icons, and fine-tune notification grouping so alerts look consistent across apps. If you want deeper system changes, consider researching jailbreaking thoroughly and backing up your device. Only proceed if you accept the trade-offs and warranty risk. If something breaks, first reboot, then disable or delete the last shortcut or widget you added, and restore from your most recent backup if needed. This sequence usually restores normal behavior without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.